Skyh Smith is an American actress. He was born on May 6, 1985 in Tallahassee, Florida, United States. Her full name is Khaneshia JaNea Smith. Her father, Ernest J. Smith, was stricken with cerebral palsy. Smith is currently engaged to actor and Sistas co-star Skyh Alvester Black. In 2019, Smith was cast in a leading role in the BET comedy drama series Sistas that premiered in October 2019. In 2020, Smith starred in the Netflix psychological thriller film Fatal Affair. In 2019, Smith starred in A Medea Family Funeral, the 11th and final installment of the Medea film series. Later, she was cast in the BET drama series The Family Business and had a recurring role in the ABC drama series The Fix. Smith also filmed and produced her first film leading role in the drama film The Available Wife. From 2015 to 2018, Smith had a recurring role in the Bounce TV sitcom Family Time. In 2016, she had a recurring role in the Oprah Winfrey Network drama series Queen Sugar. She later guest starred on Being Mary Jane, Saints and Sinners, Dynasty, NCIS, Los Angeles and Blackish. She studied business marketing at Florida State University, where she earned her bachelor's degree and later went on to work in corporate America. Smith later went back to further her education at Florida A&M University, where she studied journalism. Early in her career, Smith realized she was unhappy and made choices for others and not herself, so she later moved to Los Angeles and began her acting career appearing on comedy shows include Conan, Real Husbands of Hollywood, Jimmy Kimmel Live, Survivor's Remorse and It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia.